Get prepared.
Get prepared.
Shh.
Listen
Carefully.
Pay attention.
Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for always coming back to my channel. Yeah, I have to thank you because you are here today again to watch me. Today I have to show you how to make a simple full wrap skirt or flounce wrap skirt. It's gonna be a simple, the simplest ever. Okay, so and we need just the waist for it and the length. So from what I calculated, the length is everything, the length is 25, right? So but the 5 inches, or rather 6 inches, is gonna be the flounce, and the rest is gonna be the skirt. So 25 minus 6 should be 19. So from here I get my 19 like this. Is it not short? Let me do it 20. Let me do it 21. Or little matured. Okay. So I think that because I'm doing it for myself, not for any client. So I think the length is a bit short. Let me increase it to 22. That is, after everything, it will now be 21 plus 6, which will now give us 27, right? Okay, so this is it, 22. Okay, and I have to mark it 22 like this and slowly curve it in to this area. Okay, but okay, let's curve it in first like this. Okay, okay, but the waist of my dress, the waist of my skirt is 38. You know, is an overlap skirt. Since I have 38 as my waist, we are gonna do a little mathematics here, and my fabric stretches, so no need of making that in it. So I have 38 as the waist, divided by 2 will give me 19, right? So now you know it has to overlap with 19, so I'll now add 38 to it. This is the overlap, the entire front will overlap. So it will now give me 7 to 5 to now give me 57. So that is, so I'll now measure out 57 divided by 2 will give us what? 25, 3.5, that is 28.5. Okay, so we have 28.5. Let me remove that half, Joe. Let me use 28. You can see it. So that is it. This is our, okay, just cover it in. That's the skirt, and we're gonna get the flounce from this place. You get the flounce. The first one is, it has 2 steps. The first one is 6 inches, while the second one is 3 inches. So let's cut it. Okay, this is for the band. It's double. Okay, let me just cut and show you. Slit into 2 like this. You have to fold it like this, and it will give us band. I'll first of all join these ones.